My Adenuga mistress don't come outside, they cry. As EFCC say make she pack her load, come out from inside the house. I don't know the kind of way scattered in these people relationship. For those of now when don't know my Adenuga, now him be the third richest man for inside Africa. And those of now when they use Global.com, and I know I'm be yes, now the owner of Global.com, now be this man. I no know what can happen to their relationship because this man and this girl, we gotta say, they don't they date for 27 years. Hey, this one a big relationship, serious one. 27 years, now person they do side chick for man. Hey, I no know what happen. The man talk say this woman stealing money. Say ain't phone kind money be say supposed give to person. So because of this one now, make this woman pack and go. If you not see as this woman start to dey cry, start to dey scatter body, say she just waste all her life, do all this one. My people beg. Make now follow me watch.
He said I stole money that I didn't steal. He went to break court. What did I do? 30 years I gave my life to Adenuga. You want to drive me out of this house? This house that I spent 18 months in paying. How many houses do I have? What did he do for me? He didn't do anything for me. Children, no children, no husband. My Adenuga, leave me alone. No. Yes,
this is their house now. They want to go out. Allow them to go out. It's their house.
What?
Please, this is we are human beings at the end of the day. It's their house.
My Adenuga, leave me alone. No. My Adenuga, leave me alone. What have I done?
27 whole good years. Hey, and we hear say this lady, she be this man secretary or personal assistant, all this kind of thing. Now they do they work together for 30 years. It means say for 3 years, this girl just work as secretary. The remaining 27 years, now they use they chop themselves. If be say this mistress, she don't even turn to mama, not be even young girl again, she don't even old. But on top of that, this woman, I cannot talk say she still there gidigbam say she no go come up for them. I mean, I for not believe this thing, but I believe am because if I see this woman nyash, I go no say yes. Because my cadet in the like woman we get big nyash. So as I see this one, I come talk say, why this man go do this kind of thing for this woman like this? Now where this woman they cry upon everything she they talk, the things what they hear now. She no born. In fact, she no get anything for that whole 30 years. She no get anything to account for. I can't you way they do side chick, you know even they use your brain. Person rent house, you know say this house, your money no they no use your name buy am. And you there with them, you no gather any property. Born, you never if say you even born self, go say you won't use that picking now, take hold on. One picking you no get for this man. Now when this man don't come pursue you, you can't they cry, say your whole life, you don't waste. I beg what you want make people do. Because this your cry, what way they cry, you no go even change anything, no go change anything. Because you know say this one and our money they talk. Now money anything where this man talk, now it go happen. And if you self no to get out, but I beg we won't come ask you. True, I beg you thief this money. Make we know as one day settle this matter. Because this man talk say you carry the money. And I shall say this man now, in eye go down there for young blood. Girls will be said they just even finish secondary school, be said their eye they chook. Now there the man eye go there now. You can't expect saying go come they follow with mama youngie. Now your own size now. I'm not saying no go they look at this one. But some women say, you this woman now, you deal with person husband for more than 20. You don't see anything there, you don't see anything bad. You chop in money, you enjoy in money. Now when bad don't come happen. You can't they cry, they complain. Auntie, I beg, just do pack your me. I don't know where you want to go. Be in your village, you want to go back to Abihu house, you want to go. And they don't give you this ella like this. Just jejely pack your things, they go. Because you know, say my na big man, you know go come as I can't talk, say, okay, you do this one for this reason. So just to cover shame, auntie, I beg, just pack your look because this one self now shame to person eye. How you go there, they do girlfriend. No, what's to be girlfriend self? Side chick for a whole 27 years, you never even shame. So you don't draw, so you don't enter old age. Now what? It dey your body. But my people, I beg, I hear this one. I can't make her bring and come. Making herself use na ear. Hear what they happen inside this Nigeria where we dey. Anything when I feel, make no forget to write them inside the comment section. Don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video. Two Kenyan man just bring one kind of ogbonge thing come outside. Two of them amicably agree say they won't exchange their wife. Nothing where person no go hear. In fact, this one are weird news. Anytime when you hear all this kind of things, you go know say na either from Kenya, Zimbabwe, I been one kind of country because now then they make all this kind of decision. But as regards them, then these two men, no be say they do them by fight too. They mutually they agree. Say to settle their differences, so because say they catch one woman where they cheat, one of the wives they cheat. So make you no come be like say the cheating matter won't go cause beginner. Make two of them accept, okay, fine, make we exchange. As it be say, your wife don't they enter my eye, me self my eye they enter your wife body. Make we kuku exchange and the wife make we take settle everything. This one it really surprised me, but my people are beg. Make no be like say they lie on top than these people head, make now using an eye, see for yourself.
Out she came. The same woman he picked from Kevin Barasa about a year ago during the unforgettable swapping of their wives at the end of 2019. The bright smile he wore told it all. He's indeed a happy man. Christopher and Lillian, his wife for the last 1 year, it was clear, or at least it appears, they are making good memories.
Kulingana na maisha yangu, naona nilikuwa mzee wakati ule. Hata ukiangalia tu ile nini ya kwanza, naonekana nilikuwa mzee, lakini sasa mimi ni kijana.
Naishi vizuri. Watoto wangu wanaishi vizuri. Sina tatizo lolote.
Lillian is quick to clarify that she has no regrets since parting ways with her first husband, Kevin Baraza. And these lovebirds have something to show for the time they have been together. Once again, a couple blown away by love. Clearly, their swapped spouses' memories no longer bother them.
Maisha naona ni mazuri na nipeleka sawa. Sioni ugumu wote upande wangu.
Huyu mwanadada mwenye niko naye huyu alimchukua kama bwana wake. Na pia mimi nikamchukua kama bibi yangu. Na zile matendo zenye ananifanyia ule hakuwahi kunifanyia.
Baraza and Immaculate seem full of joy, and they don't seem to be going back.
All I don't see, Abby. According to the story, Mr. Kelvin talks. He here saying wife they cheat on him with Mr. Christopher. He no agree believe because in the face in beloved wife. How that one go to happen? Now the guy reason am one day. Come go catch this woman inside this man place. The woman they cook, they do things, different style for this man. Now then she come and see wife who are trolls like this. Now they do this kind of Kenya people. They no get joy. They no they even disturb themselves anyhow. Now the woman says, you don't catch me, be that. Me self now Christopher now I won't follow case closed. I know they do any wahala. And they see simple and short. If say na Nigeria one drama African magic film for don't happen. Why for don't carry bottle break husband head make husband carry this one? When marriage don't separate, marriage don't scatter be that. But this one the woman agree say yes so I don't want to talk too much. In fact now this person now I love now him I won't follow. Now, out of revenge, Nadia Christopher, I been a Kevin. Congo they toast Christopher wife where that one self they marry, where inside going house. Congo they Lord I don't know what he tell that one. So tell that one self can't agree saying go love up. That one self can't agree saying go marry. Hey, on I can't on they surprise me. Now so now they do for now own side. But if you just come, you don't marry before, just decide, okay, now I want you. I can't be like say Juju there inside this matter. Because if Juju not there, I know she say person will just agree just like that. Say, I won't follow you. But as the matter be, this woman agree. Say she go marry this man. Now there, they won't go police station, say go inform police, so maybe in case any wahala won't happen. These two people, Christopher and his new wife, they agree, say yes, they do okay. Oh, now they say love. Love they happen and then this one they don't even come out. Say okay, I will leave the pic. They carry their children. Hey, love in Kenya. This one surprised me. So I beg if Pikin is sick, I be the one go do DNA. So you go come call your ex-husband. Be I wanted one. But I don't watch channel. After 1 year, these people they still dey okay. They still they very happy. Say they don't even, in fact they don't regret them. They don't even regret the feelings that they even exchange. But like how person wanted a reason themselves because as normally as a person where they jealous, somebody like me. If I see you for a road with my husband, I feel they jealous. But blessed than this one, they don't even reason and blessed for Kenya, no be nice, no normal thing, no be even strong thing for that side. As long as say the man don't agree, the woman self don't agree, case closed. But now this one me I say if it they wrong. Because some person will go to chop your wife. You chop and finish, you can't leave am. Come go second round. Go another person place. Person wey two of una know. And then I go still be friends. The thing no go dey pain na for heart. It means say that this man sef their heart strong. And then these women sef at the talk and say fear women. Fear women, no person wey dey husband house. I no talk say girlfriend. Married woman dey in husband house. You go come up from your husband house. Go dey cook for another man. They still can't catch you. She even still get zeal. She no even move or she no even shake. She take am with joy say yes. I dey cheat, I dey cheat. I don't accept. Hey, Kenya people na surprise me. I dey wait make this one happen inside Nigeria because I know see the kind katara wey go burst for that kind matter. Say people dey exchange. The kind wahala wey go cause, we go know say yes, this one na inside Nigeria happen. But Kenya people, they no see am to be anything. In fact, they accept am wholeheartedly. Now what for this one I love. My people, I hear this one. I come say make I bring am come, make una sef listen and hear. Hear wetin dey happen inside Kenya. Anything wey una feel, make una not forget to write am inside the comment section. Make una also forget to like and share this video. I will see you on for the next video.